Use a piece of electrical wire to slightly relax the elastic, giving slack to the chain. Do this on both sides. The chain is now relaxed and can be removed easily. Start with the handle. Remove the handle flap. Hold the chain firmly, otherwise it may snap loose. Remove the flap and bracket. Unscrew the shaft at the chain connection. Tap gently with a hex key to loosen. There may still be a spring attached. Remove it carefully. Hold everything in place with the hex key so bushings don't fall. Pay attention to the order of the bushings. Remove the chain connector from the chain. Now you can guide the chain through the machine carefully. Pull the chain frame slightly outward. Guide the chain behind the shaft and let it slide down, important for correct routing. Place the chain over the main gear. Pull it over the large gear. Then back and through completely. Make sure the elastic does not cross the chain. Guide the chain from the rear upward again. Always work from top to bottom. Feed the chain from the bottom and guide it over the top. Install the chain connector. Slide the two plates from one side simultaneously. Pay attention to the bushings that follow. Slide the bushing over, retract the hex slightly, and carefully insert the shaft through the bushings and chain. Do not use force. Let it slide slowly into place. Once the shaft is fully in, tighten the hex screw. Run the chain to ensure smooth movement. Check that the chain and elastic move freely. Before applying force, ensure the chain runs centered in the elastic. Reinstall the U-bolt. Reattach the handle and ensure everything is correctly positioned.